Hello students, good morning. Today we will continue the same topic type 3 questions of this mathematical induction. So we are doing some questions from the exercise 4.1, right? So let us do that questions. Uh, there are few questions in 4.1, so I am discussing that questions. So let us do that. The question number 18 is 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus so on up to plus n less than 1 by 8 2 n plus 1 whole square, right? So you have to prove it. So as you know, there are three steps. As you know, its first step is put n is equal to 1, right? When we put n is equal to 1, मैंने आपको पहले भी बताया था 1 वैल्यू इस पूरी स्टेटमेंट में जहाँ पे nth टर्म है वहाँ पे फिल करनी है, राइट? सो आई एम पुटिंग n equal to 1 in the nth term, so we get 1 is less than 1 by 8 2 plus 1, that is 3 square, that is 9. So after simplifying we get this is 9 by 8, right? So this statement is true, which is true. तो ये statement true हो जाएगी n equal to 1 के लिए, because 1 is less than 9 by 8. Now second step number 2. Let us assume that it is true for n equal to k, where k is any other natural number other than 1. So this is 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus so on plus k is less than 1 by 8 2k plus 1 whole square, right? So this is the assumed statement. Now when we solve this third step, we have to prove it for n equal to k plus 1. So put n is equal to k plus 1 in this statement. We will get 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus so on plus k plus 1. It is less than 1 by 8. When we put n is equal to k plus 1 here, this becomes 2k plus 3 whole square. You can simplify it. Its value, when we put n is equal to k plus 1, we get 2 into n k plus 1 plus 1, that is 2k plus 3 whole square. So you have to prove it. To prove it for n equal to k plus 1. Now as we are using the second step always in the third step, so I am adding both sides by k plus 1. मैं सेकेंड स्टेप की स्टेटमेंट में दोनों तरफ k plus 1 ऐड कर रहा हूँ. So when we add k plus 1 on both sides, we get 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus k plus k plus 1, right? I am adding k plus 1 on both sides. So what will we get? 1 by 8 2k plus 1 whole square plus k plus 1, right? I am adding this k plus 1 on both sides. So this is the left hand side of the third step. So we get 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus so on plus k plus 1. No need to write this kth term. It is, you have to prove this 1 by 8 k plus 2k plus 1 whole square. होल स्क्वायर को ओपन कर दीजिए. a स्क्वायर प्लस b स्क्वायर प्लस 2ab, this plus k plus 1 है. So this is left hand side. Now this is less than. When we simplifying this, I am taking the LCM here. I am taking LCM. We get, when we take LCM, right, this is plus k plus 1, this is 1 by 8 4k square plus 1 plus 4k plus 1k plus 1. So I am taking LCM from this. We have less than, so this is 4k square plus 1 plus 4k plus 8 into k plus 1, that is 8k plus 8, right, over 8. I am taking LCM, I am simplifying this. So we have, the result is 4k square plus 12k plus 9, right, over 8. Now जैसे कि मैंने पिछले क्वेश्चन में इसको ब्रेक किया था इस स्टेप में, तो मैं इसको इस तरह ब्रेक करूंगा कि मेरे पास ये फॉर्मूला बन जाए। तो मैं इसको ब्रेक कर रहा हूं। सो आई एम ब्रेकिंग दिस 4k स्क्वायर, this is no need to break because this term, this is a perfect whole square, right, perfect square, 4k square plus 12k plus 9, this is 2k plus 3 whole square by 8. So this left hand side is less than the right hand side. This is the right hand side. I am repeating this again. Firstly, I'm taking only third step here. By putting n is equal to k plus 1, you have to prove this. I am adding k plus 1 on both sides. We get 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus so on up to k plus 1 less than this plus k plus 1. ठीक? After simplifying the right hand side, we get this when we taking LCM. 8 is the LCM, so we have this result, right? After this we get this value 4k square plus 12k, मैंने इनको ऐड किया, 12k हो गया, ये 9 हो गया, तो ये वाली वैल्यू जो है होल स्क्वायर की वैल्यू है 2k plus 3 whole square by 8. So this is the right hand side, it is matched with the right hand side. So this is the proof, right? Okay, there is one more question in the exercise, that is question number 24. Prove that 2n plus 7 is less than n plus 3 whole square for all natural numbers n. So let us solve it. Step number 1. Put n is equal to 1. We get 2 into 1 plus 7, that is 9, less than, this is 1 plus 3, 4, 4 plus square 16, so which is true. When we put, now step number 2 is put n is equal to k, put n is equal to k, 2k plus 7 less than k plus 3 whole square, which is step number. Now step number 3 is put n is equal to k plus 1, that is 2 into k plus 1 plus 7, it is less than k plus 1 plus 3 whole square. Now this becomes a 2k plus 9 less than k plus 4 whole square. You have to prove this, right? So as we are using this second step to prove the third step, adding 2 on both sides, so we get the 2k plus 9. So from the step number 2, from step number 2, we have adding 2 on both sides, so we get 2k plus 7 plus 2, it is less than k plus 3 whole square plus 2, right? Now this becomes 2k plus 9, and when we simplify this, we get k square plus, this is 6k plus 11. After simplifying this, we get this result. See? Now Now in next step we break this so that we get this k plus 4 whole square. So this it is k square plus this is 8k plus 16. Now we have to subtract what? This is 2k and this is 5, राइट. सो किसी नंबर में कोई पॉजिटिव नंबर हम सब्ट्रैक्ट करेंगे तो वो नंबर ऑब्वियसली लेस देन दैट नंबर होगा. तो वी कैन राइट दिस एज k स्क्वायर प्लस 8k प्लस 16, राइट. सो देयरफॉर ये वैल्यू आपके पास आ जाएगी k प्लस 4 होल स्क्वायर. So this is the left hand side 2k plus 9 and this is the right hand side. Actually note this step. मैंने इस 6k को ब्रेक किया 8k minus 2k और 11 को ब्रेक किया 16 minus 5. So मैंने इस टर्म को अलग से कर लिया, इसको अलग से कर लिया. इसमें से कोई नंबर मैंने सब्ट्रैक्ट किया तो ऑब्वियसली इस नंबर से वो छोटा होगा, इसलिए मैंने उससे लिखा लेस देन 8k स्क्वायर प्लस 8k प्लस 16 एंड दैट इज k